Unnecessary reading tips for IELTS. Hi friends, today I will talk with you about IELTS reading tips. Okay, so let us start. You know that the preparation is the key to success in IELTS, and you are ready to put the times and effort into improving your IELTS readings. Tips number 1, pick out keywords, underline and number. When you come to readings, the paragraph read it fast. The first time, get the introductions, main passage, conclusions and perfect location of the keywords. It becomes easier to spot them if a question asked around the same. And remind yourself which parts of paragraph you will need to read in details. Scheme number 1, the scanning and skimming. Scanning is reading rapidly in order to find the specific fact, and skimming is reading rapidly in order to get a general overall of a passage. The scanning is commonly used for time, location, address, phone number, street number, so many things. And the skimming is one of the tools you can use to read more in less time. The skimming is refers to looking only for the general or main idea, and your overall the understanding is reduced because you do not have to read everything. Next is do active for readings. You should improve your performance in the reading test. You must practice reading a variety of English text. Make sure you should write down your answer for the reading test on the answer sheet. Underline any phrases that you see in the text that helps you understand the paragraph of the context of readings. Next tip, improve readings and vocabulary. You should improve your readings and vocabulary brings you some distance closer to your high band score. If you are spending to improve your vocabulary, actually time invest in your writing skills. Online dictionary is helpful resource if used properly in today's digital age, and smartphone apps make easy to organize. Some website will provide you with a word a day, either in an app or via email. Next tips, know your weak point. You should analyze your weak point based on the design study plan to help you focus on the weak point and improve it. Many students make a mistake to focus only the IELTS practice test rather than improving their English skills. Okay, now I'm finishing my video here. I hope that you will like my video, and we shall meet very soon in next video. Thank you.